Finding the Amazon FBA warehouse address for shipping your inventory involves several steps to ensure that your products are sent to the correct location. Here's a concise guide. Create a shipping plan. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to Inventory and select Manage FBA Inventory. Click on Send or Replenish Inventory to create a new shipping plan. Prepare your shipment. Select the products you want to send to Amazon. Enter the quantity of each product you are shipping. Choose the packaging type, individual products or case-packed products. Label your products. Print and attach the necessary FN SKU labels to your products as per Amazon's guidelines. Ensure that each item is correctly labeled and prepared for shipment. Choose a shipping method. Select whether you will be using Amazon's partnered carrier or your own shipping method. Get warehouse addresses. After completing the shipment details, Amazon will provide you with the address of the FBA warehouse to which you need to send your products. These addresses are generated based on Amazon's distribution network and the type of products you are shipping. Print shipping labels. Amazon will provide you with shipping labels that include the warehouse address. Print these labels and attach them to your shipment boxes. Ship your inventory. Send your packages to the specified Amazon FBA warehouse address using the chosen carrier.